Hi, good morning. My name is Amit and we are learning Python. So some part of the module 4 is left. Let's see. So we are discussing create a module. So creating a module in a Python is a simple. A module is just Python file with a .py extension that contain function, variable or a class which you can import into other Python program. Step 1. Create a Python file as a module. Create a file name mymodule.py with the following code. You can give any unique name for this with the following code. So mymodule.py, and this is a program. Define diff greet name, then return f hello name, then diff call this function, add ab, return a plus b, and pi equal to 3.14159. So we are not printing any output here. Let's move. Use the other file module in another file name. Now create another file, example main.py, in the same directory and use the module main.py. Import my module. Now here we can print it. In this program, in this file, we didn't get any output by using the print function. But in the second file, we can import the data from the program from the first file and then print in this file. Print my module.get name Amit, print sum my module, add 10 plus 5, print value of pi, my module.py. Output is Amit, hello Amit, sum 15 and then value. So let's see into our Visual Basic. See, our first program is like this. I save the create a new file like this and give a name, save as like this, and the D drive, give the name. Here I am giving the name like this, my module.py, but in this case I am using another name, that is b underscore module, this one, b underscore my module. So put b underscore my module and save this. Once you save this file, once you save this file, this is look like this, and copy this program and paste into the first file, that is b underscore my module.py here. After that, again create new file like this, save as. Now this time I'm creating second file and name is my main.py, but I'm changing the name here, a underscore main, like this, a underscore main dot py, like this, and save this. Once you save this, we get a file like this here. The first file, this is my first file, b underscore module b, then second file a underscore main, and py is the p.py is the extension for this, and .py for this. See this here, b underscore my module.py, a underscore main.py. Fine. Once you write the program, the first file, and the second file, I am importing the program from the first file, and then I am going to get a output. So once I run this, see, hello Sumit, because I changed the name here, and then sum is 10 plus 50, that is 60. After that, the value of pi, the value of pi is, see this here, 3.141559, like this. So it's value of pi from this module, and it's printing here. So this is called the This is how we can create our module. Creating a module. Creating a package is same thing. Just we have to create a folder and keep one file underscore int. Let me show you. If you want to create a package, we have to create a folder like this and give the name A, B, C, anything, and we have to save a file whose name is like this: file, new, save as under this B file. The file name is underscore in it underscore dot py and save it. See this. We need not write anything in the file. Now, if I put this file, both this file, any of this, the module one, this one, or anyone under this file, this become the package, and the main file, that is this file, should be outside this ABC folder. Then this becomes the package, and it's work like the same. This creating a module. Fine. Okay, I'm going to delete this because this topic is not the part of our course. Okay. Okay. When you create a module, pyche catchy file is automatically created. So when you create the new module, it will give you an error. So delete this, then it will run. Okay, fine. So we are successfully create a module. Fine. Now move to the next topic. A standard module. So a standard module are built-in module that come with the Python standard libraries. These modules provide a wide range of functionalities like math operation, file handling, date and time, regular expressions, system interaction, and more without needing to install any extra. Okay, so we have so many libraries in the Python, but these are the basic thing which is already available in the Python. We need not to upload. Let's suppose if I want to do the square, find a square root or anything, we did not need anything extra like NumPy libraries, then pandas library, then scikit, matplot. We need not anything. We can simply it is the inbuilt function of the Python. So maths module, first is the maths module. Maths is a mathematical function like square root, pow, then sine, etc. Random function to generate a random number. Statics function for statistical operation like mean, median, modes, these things. Date and time. So date and time module. Date, time. Date and time manipulation. Time working with a time related function like sleep, time, file and directory management. OS interact with operating system. Example: list file path. Subtle file operation like copy, move, and delete. System and environment interaction. SYS access to the system specification parameter under function. Platform information about the platform. OS processor, etc. Gate pass secure password input. Okay. Then data handling. JSON file reading and writing JSON data. CSV file working with the CSV file. Pickle serializing and deserializing Python objects. Text and pattern matching. Regular expression operation. String and constant and function. Internet and web service. URLIB handling. URL open and parse HTTP file. These are using for the while we make a website. HTTP modules for handling HTTP. SOCKT network connection using TCP and IP. Error and exception handling. So this is the next part of our course. So error and exception handling, login message for tracking, warnings, issues warning message, track back, print or retrieve or stack track back. Utilities. ITER tools function are efficient looping function tools, higher order functions. Example, L, RU, catches, reduce, then collection. A specialized container data type, DQ counter. So these are the inbuilt function of inbuilt modules of this Python. Maths, date and time, files and directory management, system and environment interaction, then data handling, text and pattern matching, internet and web service, then error and exception handling, utilities. So let's see with some of the example. Like let's suppose I want to do the maths operation. So import maths, print math dot square root. Let's suppose let me print this. Run this program. The 5 square root of the 25 is 5. So this is a inbuilt function, this mathematical parts. We need not to import any libraries or install anything. Similarly for time, date and time. If I want to check the current date and time, just copy this program and paste below this. See this. Import date time, print date time dot now. So for now it will give the current time. See this. The first value for this and the date and time here. 28/6/2025 and then 7 a.m. 1 minute 51 seconds. Even a small fraction of second is also given. Fine. Then if I want to use a random number, see this how Python will generate the random number. See, import random, then print random dot rand int 1 to 10. It will generate the number between 1 to 10 randomly. See this. When I run the program, let's give 9. When again I run this program, it will give 7. When again this, then again 9, then 10, then 3, then 8, then 10. These are the random number Python will give as output by using this program, import random. So this is a part of maths module, random. So these are the inbuilt functions. We need not to put any extra installation or libraries for these. Alright, so module 4 is over. Let's move for the next module. Okay, so module 5. Under the module 5, we are going to discuss about the exception handling. The exception handling in a Python is a way to gracefully manage error or unexpected event during the execution of a program, so the program doesn't crash abruptly. Okay, so first error, type of error, syntax error, then import error, that is module not found error. Import error, whenever we import a module, previously we did know how to create a module. So sometime it will give the module not found if a catchy folder available, like we delete a catchy folder like this. If this folder available in our computer, in the directory, same directory, this will throw this error, module not found. Then second is attribute error. Then third is name error. After that, type error. Then value error. Then zero division error. Then exception handling in Python. Okay, fine. So these are the errors, 7 type of errors. Let's discuss step by step. So first is syntax error. How we can get the syntax error? See with the example. Let's suppose we write a program like this. Okay, until up to this. Delete this one. Let me delete this one. See here, our red dot is showing. Just see, it's already informing us expected colon not available. See this, we are already a colon at the end of the function define add a colon. It's already Python is guiding us like this. So if I don't put the colon and run this program, see the what kind of error it is. Syntax error expected. That is colon. Colon is missing. We already said that this is called a syntax error. So syntax error. Once the syntax error, so we have to give a colon like this. So now let's correct our program. Let me put a colon here. Colon. After that, now if I run this program, see this. It's run successfully, but it doesn't print the hello because we have to call this function, this my function. Just copy this and print it. Now run this. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Okay, so we have to put my underscore function so that it will call this part, print part. Okay, so this is called the syntax error. So let me remove this. Okay. Then second error is import error, that is module not found error. So rise when Python can't find a module or import file. Let's suppose we are copying these things and I'm deleting this. Try to see this. Import non underscore existing dot module, but here no file. We don't have any file whose name is non-existing module. So if I run this program, it will show module not found. So no module name, non-existing module. So this kind of error it will throw. Fine. So we have to make a file whose name must be non underscore existing module like this. Let's here see this. If I delete this, let's delete the caching. Then b underscore my module. See now, is there any error? No error. When I run this, no error because there is no error because we have a file name b underscore my module available here. That's why. So this is called the import error or module not found error. when we import some module. After that, attribute error. Raise when a module does not have the attribute you are typing to access. Let's suppose we have a file name b underscore module underscore b.py, diff greet, return f.hello, and then again second file c underscore main file, import b module, print b, no function call say by hello. See this. Okay, let me show you by using this. Just a minute. I'm removing this. Fine. Okay, let me delete this catchy. Then okay, I'm giving the file name as a b underscore module underscore b.py. So we have already created b underscore this module. So just open this. Okay, so we have program like this. Then second program is c underscore main underscore c.py. This one. This part is similar to the creating a module. We have already created a module and import the first file into the second file like this. So this time see this. I have written here define greet name return f hello name, and I am importing this module file into the second file, that is main file, and printing this one. So if suppose see this, I am going to run this program. So it's running successfully. It's give hello Amit. If I change something like this, I don't want to put greet. If I put here like hello, say hello, say underscore hello, and now I'm trying to run this program. It will throw the error. That is module b underscore module b has no attribute say hello. So this is called the attribute error. See, our topic is attribute error. So whenever we don't define the functions, these functions like this properly, then the Python will throw error like this, attribute error. So we have to give this greet part here, greet. Now let me try this program. Yes, now it's running successfully. Fine. So let's move to the fourth error type. Fourth error type, name error. Raised when a variable or a function name is not defined. Print result. Let me print this. Print result. Just run this. See, result is not defined. So this is called name error. See, name error. Result not defined. So we have to give some name like this. A equal to B, result AB. And then we have to give print like this. Just delete this. Now I am putting result here. We are defining and giving the name result, that is A plus B. Now A result name is A plus B. Now run this program. Yes, now it's running successfully. So this is called the name error, when we don't give the name. After that, type error. So if I raise when a function is used when wrong data type. Let me take this. copy this program and paste here. Print 5 plus 10. Try to print it. Error. Type error. So this is called type error. Can only contacted string, not integer. So we have to make this integer like this. Now run this program. Yes. So can't add string and integer. Then it will throw type error. Then value error. Raise when a function receive the right type of type but wrong value. Int AB cannot convert string into like this. Int AB, we are giving integer but we are defining a string under that, giving the value of a string value under the integer. So it will throw the error, that is value error. Value error. Invalid literal for integer with base 10. If I give some integer value under that, no error is showing. After that, zero division error. Zero division error, that is anything divided by 0, it will not give answer because 10 divided by 0 or any value divided by 0 is undefined. How? Just check this. See this, zero division error, division by 0, because anything divided by 0 will not give the result. That is, so we can handle this type of error. Then exception handling in Python. Let's see. Use try, except, else, and finally to handle exception gracefully. Like try import math, print square root 16, print 10 divided by 0 here will raise a zero division error. So except zero division error, print you cannot divide by 0. When anybody is divided by 0, any value divided by 0, it will throw the error like this. But I don't want to throw error. So we have to write the program like this. So just copy this program, import math like this, copy. The import math, print a square root, and then print 10 divided by 0. It will throw error, but this time I use this one, except zero division error, print value cannot divide by 0. Okay, this is try error. I don't want to put this try here. Just hold on. Okay. So we'll start this topic in the next class because we already otherwise the video will be so long. It's already half an hour. All right. Okay. So thank you. We'll meet in the next class.